Hello everyone. Welcome to today's model home tour. And for those that are joining me here for the very first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Norma, and in today's video, we are going to be touring this beautiful model home by NewMark Homes, located in the heart of Cypress. This is in Cypress, Texas, inside the master plan community of Town Lake. Such a beautiful subdivision. It's just amazing out here. And in this floor plan, this is starting in the $550,000. Now, please keep in mind that prices are subject to change without notice, and any upgrades and add-ons, of course, the price will increase. Now, as we tour this home, this is a two-story home. I consider it a one-story because we really have all bedrooms, everything downstairs, and one really large, spacious game room upstairs. So the only room that is upstairs is the game room. Now, let me know what your thoughts are on this home. I would love to know. I really enjoy reading all of your comments and all of the thoughts. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed the tour, and consider subscribing to my channel for more new upcoming videos. And again, if you want further details on this home or the builder, I'll have all of that in the description box, so make sure you go check that out. Thanks again for being here today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.